Ano ba mga balen? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. Para sa video na to, isa na namang staycation ang ating bibisitahin. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Casa, Corazon, located sa may Mabalacat, Pampanga. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Hi! Alright, so ayun nga guys, nandito tayo sa pinaka-pool area ng villa na to. Size of the pool is actually small to medium. Pero yung depth nito is around up until 3 feet yata. Now during the night time, this is how it looks like. Very romantic. Para kang ngang nasa jungle Jungle feel dahil meron tayong mga ibon. No? So dito sa section na to is yung pinaka-dining / kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. You have your gas range. So pwede magluto dito. This is your working table. Ayan, there's the sink. And then this is the main dining area as well as the entertainment. So nandito yung video okay natin. Ayun. Sinadya ko talaga na mag-vlog ngayong gabi. Although meron nga akong shots kaninang umaga dahil gusto ko talagang pakita sa inyo how romantic the place is during the night time. Yun nga, para kang nasa jungle, nasa liblib ka ng kagubatan dahil sa mga halaman na to. Ang ganda ng mga accent ng mga halaman na to. This is the main villa. Pasok tayo, papakita ko kung ano yung mga rooms naman natin dito. Tara! So this is the main villa. Again, ito yung parang pinaka-living room area natin dito. Although there is still a dining table, you can still enjoy your food here. Meron tayong mini sofa, that's a massage chair if I'm not mistaken. And then upstairs are the rooms. So panig tayo guys, pakita ko naman yung rooms naman natin. Alright, so we're upstairs. This is the first room. So meron tayong double-decker bed. This can accommodate up until siguro 3 or 4. Pwede rin yan. Now this room has its own toilet and bath din. Napakalaki ng toilet and bath nito. Now coming in to the next room. This is the master's bedroom naman. Has one bed fit for up until 3 person. Actually the 2 bedrooms has access or view to the pool area. And then again, bed na to has its own toilet and bath. Still, dito sa pinaka pool area natin, kanina pinasyalan natin yung dalawang bedrooms sa taas. So these are the bedrooms, first one and then the second one. And then lastly dito sa baba, meron pa rin tayong bedroom which is located here. So pasukan natin. So this room has 3 beds. Now for each, I think this one can accommodate like 3, 6, up until 8. 8 persons pwedeng matulog dito. Now, still, dito sa baba, meron tayong entertainment for the TV and your own toilet and bath. So meron din siya dito. So let's talk about the accent or feel ng villa. No? So actually it's a mix of yung mga old furnitures, collectibles, and then at the same time, yung pinaka-structure natin is brick. However, when you're outside, ako feel ko doon is parang really close to the nature. Jungle feel nga actually. In this part, let's talk about the price or rate, no? So regular rate po natin is 9,000 pesos for the entire place. So that's an overnight rate. If you go here for an event, for an occasion, a party, as long as you can actually manage to cram in, maximum natin dito is up until 20. But most of the time, sabi ng owner natin dito, pag nagpa-party, they come here up until 30 or 40. So wala namang additional price yon per head. Now if you want day tour, 6,000 pesos lang. Wow. Very good bird. Thank you.